If you're a real estate investor looking for financing for rental properties or fix and flip financing, if you prefer funding in 7 to 10 days from private money lenders, I'm providing updates of the rental financing market in January of 2021. We are seeing rates in the fives on ARMs and 30-year terms. We're also seeing very competitive fix and flip programs in the mid sevens as well. These rates are about 2% less than we were seeing 6 to 8 weeks ago. Hi, this is Mike Wright with bizfundfinder.com and Foresight Business Funding. If you would like to get updates as rates and LTVs change, click the subscription button below and you'll be notified when we have new videos on this topic. We have close relationships with several private lenders. Today, we are using one of the primary lenders as an example. They have funded billions of dollars in the past 10 years, have a very good underwriting system, rates in the fives, 30-year terms, and they also have a very competitive fix and flip program as well. Let's run through what is going on in the small commercial real estate lending arena. Generally, these will apply to single family, 1 to 4 unit properties, multifamily, mixed-use type properties up to $5 million. We also have portfolio loans from $1 million to $20 million. Typically, we will get you a term or offer sheet in a couple hours, and we will get you funded in 7 to 10 days after the appraisal and all your documentation has been received. Currently, we are seeing rates in the fives. This is in the first week of January of 2021. 5.5% for 30-year terms and 5.4% for adjustable rate mortgages. LTVs are up to 80% for new rental purchases or straight refinancing, 75% for cash out refis. Let me say again, 75% LTV for cash out refis. To get those type of terms, we're needing minimum FICO score of 680. We'll get you done if you have a 650, or even if you have lower than 650, but it's not going to be for these very good rates. Minimum purchase price for a rental property will be $100,000. Minimum market value for a refi is $110,000. We also offer portfolio, recourse and non-recourse rental refinance loans. The rates and terms will vary dependent on your experience, your creditworthiness, project type, and size. For this program, I believe you need two successful rentals managed in the last 2 years and slash currently. We offer personal consulting. So basically, our brokerage, we operate somewhat of a hybrid between an online lender and a local mortgage broker. Most of our systems are online, but if you prefer paper, we have that available. We believe in using a consulting approach. We're looking for long-term clients. We want to be a resource for you. So we like to know what your deal is, and that we match you with what lender should be best for your situation. We don't work for the lenders, we work for our clients. So you get consulting and you get speed. Pricing to you is going to be the same wherever you go. And we have a large network of lenders, but for most investors and most deals, we have a few preferred lenders that are just, we know they're quick. We know if there's something that doesn't look right, they're very quick to notify us, because our goal is to get you funded, within 10 days if we can. So we don't like to mess around. So to recap, rental financing for January of 2021, rates are in the fives for well-qualified. 30-year term are around 5.5%, low fives for adjustable rate mortgages. We get you an LTV of 80% on a rental purchase or a standard refi, 75% for cash out refi. The experience is going to be one successful rental going in the past 2 years. You need a minimum of a $75,000 loan. Credit score 680 for the best terms, 650 for good terms. Time expectations, a term or offer sheet within 2 hours. Funding in 7 to 10 business days after all the docs and the appraisals are received. My number is my direct number for Mike Wright, 317-589-0118, or you can go to bizfundfinder.com and click here an apply now button or contact us, and we will call you back or email you back as soon as possible, however you prefer to communicate. The documents needed for rental financing: your most recent bank statement, list of your current properties, one-year tax return, sales contract, your entity documentation, and a driver's license. The 2021 rental financing updates for fix and flip loans. Up to 90% financing towards the purchase price, 100% financing on repairs, capped at 75% of the ARV with a floor rate of 7.49% for qualified borrowers. That means you need, I believe you need about 4 flips, and they're not going to allow heavy construction at those rates. But if that doesn't work, we have other lenders. Experience, you need 1 flip in the past 2 years, or you need to own at least 2 rental properties. Minimum purchase price for the bridge loan is $75,000. Both the purchase and the repair costs need to meet the minimum net loan amount of $75,000. And just a reminder, we also offer portfolio rental refinance loans, both recourse and non-recourse. The timeline, we try very hard to get you an offer sheet within 2 hours. Sometimes it'd be 30 minutes, but count on 2 hours. Funding within 7 to 10 days after we get all your information, appraisal, documentation, et cetera, et cetera. So again, this is Mike Wright for Foresight Business Funding. You can contact us at 317-589-0118 or bizfundfinder.com. Thank you very much for stopping in for these updates, and we'll have more coming to you later.